This video is going to explain how to use the min, max, and average functions on Excel. What are the min, max, and average functions? A min function will return the smallest value in a range of cells, and a max function returns the largest value in a range of cells. An average function will add up all the values in the group of cells and divide by the number of values. How to create a min function. First thing you will do is select the cell in which you wish the minimum value to appear. Then you will click the Home tab, followed by the Sum drop-down arrow. From the drop-down menu, you will select the min. With your mouse pointer, click and drag to highlight the range of cells in which you wish to find the minimum value. Then you will hit the Enter key, and it will calculate the formula for you, and the minimum value will appear in the selected box. The max function is very similar to the min function. You will follow the same steps as the min function, but instead of selecting min from the drop-down box, you will select max. This will show the maximum value in the range of highlighted cells, and you will watch as the formula is completed once again. Now I'm going to be passing the microphone over to Jeff.
Thanks, John. Creating an average function. To do the average function a different way compared to the min or max function. First, highlight your data, select the first cell, then use the Control, Shift, and arrow keys to highlight the rest of the data. Then select the Sum button in the Home tab and click on the average button in the drop-down box. Then the average is calculated and it appears on your screen. And now, I'll pass you over to Ishmael.
Thanks, John. There are many other ways to make sure the formula appears. One of them being is that you can type it directly into the keyboard. The list of the formula goes as follows. Hit the equal sign and type average, parentheses, the cell numbers you wish to calculate, then close the parentheses. Do the same thing for the following, equals, then type in max, then parentheses cell numbers, and the same thing for min, equals, type in min, and parentheses the cell numbers as follows. Now passing it over to John.
Thanks, Ishmael. Well, here we are again of the Excel spreadsheet, and we are going to show you how to create the min function. As if we told you before, the first thing you want to do is select the cell where you wish your final value to appear, and then you will click the Home tab over here, followed by the Auto Sum drop-down box, and we are looking for the min value, so we will click on the min, and as you can see, the range of cells is already highlighted. But if you were to click and drag whichever amount of cells you wish to find the minimum value, you can do that as well. Here's your formula displayed in the selected cell in which you clicked for everything. You will click Enter, and the smallest value in the range of cells appears. Again, with the maximum function, you will click a cell, any cell, you can even do it over here, any cell which you wish the maximum number to appear in. Go to the Auto Sum drop-down box, and this time you'll click on Max. And as you can see, it's trying to do it in a row fashion, but we don't want that. We want this column over here for the maximum. So we'll highlight this column, and there's your formula, and hit Enter, and the largest number will be displayed where you selected. Now I'm going to pass it over to John.
Now we'll be finding the average by using the Control, Shift, arrow keys. First select on the first number in the column that you'd like to find the average with, and then press Control, Shift, and down. That will select the entire column of numbers you'd like to find the average. Go to the Auto Sum, select Average, and there you have the average of 55.08. 333. Now I'll be passing you over to Ishmael.
Thanks, John. Now we're going to show you how to type the formulas. Very simple, actually. You just hit the equals key and type in average. You see it pops up for you, and you can type in the rest of it. Then hit the parentheses. Then type in the cell number you wish to formulate. Put the formula in F7, we'll do that. And then hit semicolon and F18, it'll highlight the whole row for you. Then close the parentheses and hit enter. And once again, you get the average just like here. You can do the same thing for the min. Now, for the min, hit MIN, then in parentheses, F7, semicolon, and then F18, and enter. Once again, 14. Same thing for the max as well. It equals MAX, parentheses, F7, semicolon, F18. Once again, you get the maximum number. Thank you for watching this video. We appreciate it. I'm Ishmael.
I'm John.
And John.
Once again, thank you. We hope you learned something from here.